Hello, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video of Life Made Easy. Finally home, finally able to record again, so I'm excited. Currently recording on my 2K webcam that I got a while back. I did a review on that. Solid webcam, used it for my podcast and thought I would use it for my main channel as well. Also using the Blue Yeti mic right here. I'm going to be getting a stand for this, like an arm stand, so it can actually like be in the air and like come closer to my mouth, get like a nice clean, crisp quality out of it, make it even sound better since it's closer to my mouth. So yeah, quick update video. I got one product I need to review. I know I said I was going to be doing smartphone videos, which I am. Also been using an iPhone 7 for a while now, various reasons. However, my experience has been all right. I mean, I do still like Android more. However, circumstances needed me to actually use this. So I have this tablet I need to do a review on, so I'm looking forward to that. This is by Dragon Touch. It's called the Notepad 102. It's an Android budget tablet, like 150 bucks. Also, if you like this green light in the background, let me know in the comments down below. I got some new Wi-Fi compatible light bulbs that also work with ALEXA. I'm not going to say it just because I might activate it. But, so I'm going to do a review on this tablet. It's going to be sick. It's kind of shocking. A company actually sent me on a tablet. I've been sent out smartphones before, however. So I guess it's not too crazy. So yeah, I want to do a lot of smartphone reviews. I just got Call of Duty Cold War, the new Call of Duty that came out a couple weeks ago. I've been enjoying it. I say the one downside to it is just, I don't know if my Xbox can handle it, or the servers are bad, or my internet's unstable right now. I don't think it's my internet, because my internet's fine on all my other devices. So I'm having lag issues on it. The game, in my opinion, is pretty solid. However, with the lag, it's making it really not very enjoyable. If I can just get over the lag and like they can fix the servers or whatever, I'd be happy with it. So I'm going to be doing some gameplays, maybe potentially a live stream, I'm not too sure yet, on Gaming Made Easy. So I'm going to be uploading over there on somewhat of a consistent basis, not as much as this channel. However, on this channel, I'm going to be doing every other day at approximately, I haven't figured out the time exactly I want to upload. It's going to be between 12 and 3 o'clock. It's going to be whenever most of my subscribers are on YouTube, because I know YouTube released those statistics, which I'm going to be taking a look at. And I know it's between like around 12 and 3 p.m. So every other day, starting today, the next video going up will be, today's Wednesday, so the next video will be going up is Friday, and then Sunday, and then Tuesday, and then it's just gonna, and the cycle is going to continue. Leave a comment down below what kind of videos you guys would like to see. As I said in my previous video, a couple videos ago, I said I'm going to be focusing on smartphone videos, smartphone news, stuff like that. And there's a lot of it right now, especially with the new iPhone 12. That's been getting some traction, and also the Galaxy S21, I think, is also having some leaks come out, and that's going to be releasing shortly usually it comes out early time of the year, usually like January, February, one of the two. So mark your calendars, stay tuned for future content. Leave a comment down below what types of videos you want me to make. Smartphone specifically, as I said, I do have one more review unit that I want to do. If more companies reach out to me and it's revolving around tech or smartphones, I'll be happy to do those kinds of reviews. But I'm going to have to put a pause on just accepting every company that wants to send me something. Because it does get a little overwhelming. Reviews take a lot longer because I actually have to use the device for a long time, plan out what I want to say about it. As opposed to like news on smartphones, those videos can be made relatively quickly. And they're pretty enjoyable to make as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. College Made Easy podcast is also going to be getting jump started again, so look out for that. Currently at 104 subs over there. If you guys could head over to that channel and subscribe, it would mean a lot. So I appreciate all you guys sticking with me. I'm gonna try to keep a consistent basis going forward. So just stay tuned, hit the bell notification so you guys know like when my video goes up. because you can be the first one to see it. And yeah, gonna try to gain some traction. We're currently at like 37,000 subs, but the views are down. Like new video views, what I mean, are kind of down. So if we can get those up, that'd be awesome. So yeah, hit the bell so you guys get notified when my videos immediately go live, and leave a comment. Love to chat with you guys in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video by Life Made Easy. Peace out, guys.